Good morning, students. Now we are in asexual reproduction in plants, and here now we will read about the artificial methods of vegetative reproduction. It ensures that a number of plants of the parent variety is produced in very less time. Additionally, it is also possible to selectively generate the superior qualities of the parent plant in the new plants. You must have seen the school gardener working on the campus. Ask him how he would regrow a hibiscus or rose plant. Different plants are grown by him. So ask them how they regrow the different plants. Some common methods of artificial reproduction are: first is cutting, second grafting, third layering, and fourth tissue culture. So first is cutting. Cutting, as the name indicates, simply by cutting the stem, mature stem with few nodes and internodes is cut off and planted on the ground. The cut stem eventually grows roots in the moist soil to absorb water and develop into an independent plant. I think all of you have done this. It can be done in rose plant or hibiscus प्लांट, शुगर केन प्लांट. तो रोज़ प्लांट में बहुत लोगों ने घर में किया होगा. सिंपली हम लोग रोज़ के स्टेम को कट कर देते हैं और वहाँ पर एक सॉइल के फॉर्मेशन को रख के फिर उसको हम लोग इम्प्लांट करते हैं इन दूसरे सॉइल पॉटेड प्लांट पॉट में. एंड देन it will grow the root first and then develop into a new plant. Second is grafting. It is a more sophisticated method used in horticulture. What is horticulture? The branch of science which deals with fruits, flowers, and fruits. In this part of the stem or bud of one plant is attached to the cut stem of another and tied tightly. Look here. First, the two part is taken from a plant. Part of the stem or bud of one plant is attached to the cut stem of another and tied tightly. One part is known as stalk and other is known as scion. 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 And then both part is attached here, wrapped and waxed. अच्छी तरह से रैप करके और उसके ऊपर एक वैक्स का कोटिंग कर देते हैं और उसको छोड़ देना है. What we will see after some time, the first part, which is known as scion, which is taken from the different plant, is combined to the stalk of another plant and develop into a new plant. So here the care is taken so as to prevent loss of cell sap and water. The better qualities of two separate varieties of plants can be combined here. In the offspring, that means in the next generation. And this technique has given rise to many disease-resistant varieties that are high yielding, as well combining these qualities from two parents. It can commonly done for cucumber, tomato, watermelon, etc. In market, you can see a big watermelon is there. Different varieties, different sizes of watermelon. It is done by grafting. Then layering. This is a process by which a long branch of a parent plant with desirable characters are bent towards the ground and covered with moist soil. देखो यहाँ इसमें क्या करते हैं कि एक लॉन्ग ब्रांच पेरेंट प्लांट का, दिस इज पेरेंट प्लांट, इस प्लांट से एक बड़े से ब्रांच को ग्राउंड की तरफ बेंड करवा दिया जाता है एंड कवर्ड विथ मॉइस्ट सॉइल, और उसको मॉइस्ट सॉइल से कवर कर देंगे सो दैट it get inside the soil and we have to water it regularly. The part which goes underground, it develops root inside it and it behaves like an independent plant. See here, the roots grows out from it and it develops into a new plant. It behaves like an independent plant when detached from the plant. जब ये पेरेंट प्लांट से अलग हो जाता है तो एक नए प्लांट के रूप में डेवलप करता है एंड इट कैन बी डन इन जैस्मीन, बोगनवेलिया, रास्पबेरी, लेमन एटसेट्रा. And fourth type is tissue culture. Tissue culture is a highly sophisticated and advanced method used by scientists to produce huge variety of a desirable plant variety. अपनी इच्छा के अनुसार जैसा प्लांट चाहिए होता है उसका आर्टिफिशियल मेथड से प्रोड्यूस करना. इन द लेबोरेटरी, साइंटिस्ट लेबोरेटरी में उसको प्रिपेयर करते हैं. डिफरेंट स्टेप्स आर देयर while doing tissue culture. A part of the desirable plant termed explant is taken. जिस प्लांट को हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ग्रो करे वो एक्सप्लांट कहलाता है. The explant is kept in an optimal cultural medium to facilitate cell growth. एक कल्चर मीडियम में उसको रखा जाता है, चाइना डिश या कोई भी डिश में उसको रखा गया और उसके सेल को ग्रो कराया जाता है. These allows the part to grow into a big cluster of cells called the callus. और ये फिर डेवलप हो जाता है, वहाँ बहुत एक गुच्छा, सेल का बड़ा सा गुच्छा डेवलप होता है और वो कहलाता है कैलस. ईच सेल फ्रॉम द कैलस इज सेपरेटेड. फिर इस कैलस से, जो कि एक सेल का ग्रुप था, झुंड था, उसमें से अलग एक एक सेल को अलग किया जाता है. एंड देन दीज सेल्स कॉल्ड प्लांटलेट्स कैन गिव राइज टू इंडिविजुअल प्लांट. और फिर एक एक सेल को अलग अलग ग्रो करने के लिए सॉइल में डालते हैं और ये डेवलप करता है छोटे छोटे प्लांटलेट्स में. छोटा प्लांट जो है वो प्लांटलेट्स कहलाता है और फिर उसको हम लोग एक इंडिविजुअल प्लांट्स के रूप में डेवलप करवाते हैं. So this technique is used in growing ornamental plants. Ornamental plants are the plants which is used to grow only for decoration. This is like chrysanthemum, gladiolus, then the big leaf plants. Sometimes it is also used for growing crops such as sugarcane, tapioca and potato. So these are the 4 artificial methods of producing plants. The different types are cutting, grafting, layering and tissue culture. Now I think all the 4 parts are clear to you.